Hey guys, today I'm checking out the Simple app, a weight loss and wellness tracker that uses an AI coach to guide you every day. Let's see what it's all about. The Simple app uses an AI coach called Avo to create a personalized plan just for you. It adapts in real time based on your logged food, water, activity, and even offers intermittent fasting suggestion. You don't have to count calories or cut out major food groups. Simple emphasizes behavior changes and building healthy habits instead of restrictive dieting. It also supports tracking workouts like Pilates, yoga, walking, hydration, and it offers real-time feedback on your meals. On the flip side, many of the key features like daily personalized check-ins and access to the full educational library requires a premium subscription. So if you're looking for a more guided premium experience rather than just a free food or fitness log, this might be it. If you want an app that makes wellness feel easier and supports you with AI coaching rather than strict diets, Simple is worth a look. Thanks for watching.